This is a smart light starter kit with smart bulbs and a dimmer, so you can flip your whole room from bright white to any color with just your phone. This is a self-stirring coffee mug that mixes everything on its own, so your morning latte's ready without you hunting for a spoon. This is a can opener that snaps onto soda tabs and flips over the top, so you open cans without breaking a nail and keep your drink covered outside. This is a portable label printer that hooks to your phone and spits out crisp little stickers, so even your spice jars and school notes look like they came from a shop.
This is a lightweight car vacuum with attachments for tight spots, so even the dust hiding in your cup holder doesn't stand a chance. This is a clear vase shaped like a book that sits on your shelf, so flowers pop out like they're growing straight from the library. This is a portable lockbox with a combo code and steel cable, so you can lock it to a chair at the beach and swim without stressing about your stuff. This is a mini bag sealer that opens snacks on one side and seals them on the other, so your chips actually stay fresh instead of going stale overnight. This is a cordless electric scissor that slices right through cardboard, so breaking down Amazon boxes doesn't wreck your hands anymore. This is a wall-mounted toothbrush holder that zaps germs with UV light, so 5 brushes stay clean, and you're not brushing with yesterday's bacteria.